Welcome back to the channel, the House and Garage channel. And today what we're doing is I have a 95 Jeep Wrangler. You guys seen it in my other videos. So back in the 90s, Dragon Ball Z was very famous. So I wanted to change these old, this is the stock shift knob. Wanted to give it my own personal look. So I bought these Dragon Ball Z Universal Dragon Balls shift balls. I have the 7-star ball, as you can see, and the 5-star ball. They look pretty good, you know, probably made in China, but they look good. Today we're gonna put these on my Jeep. I'm gonna start by taking this one out. I started already, but it's kind of tough, so it's good for the video. So you get a 3/4 wrench. We're gonna get this one out. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me. I don't even know what I'm gonna find here. With this one, at least I know what it is. It's just a, I'm hoping it's the same. And if anybody wants to buy a stock shift knob, oh man, what is this? Okay, so that came out. All right, I'll take that piece out too, because I happen to find this. I'm gonna use it as a spacer. Just things that you got. It looks like a little roller. I found it in my garage. So I happen to have 2 of these, which is great. I'm just gonna use those little rollers as spacers. This is pretty loose now. You don't want this old rusty thing. This is probably gonna go for sale. A very good stock 4x4 shift knob from Jeep. So I'll just throw it in here. I won't throw it away. Somebody might use it. Somebody might need it. Me personally, I'm going with a personal touch. So the first thing I'm going to try to do is, so I'm going to go with the 7-star ball on the, let me see if that fits, on the actual 4x4. Okay, so that fits pretty good. I had tried it here already, so that's why. And I have one that I already did. I bored the hole a little bit bigger of the roller. So I'm gonna put the roller here. There it is. It looks a lot better than that rusty stuff, right? And the 7-star ball I will put down here. Oh man, that is perfect. Wow, pretty good. I actually like it. So this one, I'm gonna work it. I'm gonna show how I got to fit so smooth the whole thing. We'll take this ball out, but I first have to show you how I did that. Come around here. The tools. You guys seen this? He already gave me this box. So I started with, I believe, this one. Nope, not that one. This one. Okay. Typical drill. This is not metal, by the way. This is plastic. So that went through. Go with the next size up. Don't hurt yourself, obviously. Put your hands like this. Right through. This is soft plastic, so nothing biggie. Plus these are very sharp. We do this one. Remember, don't hurt yourself. It went through. We're gonna, looks pretty good, looks bigger, right? Let's go test it. I'm gonna take this whole beat up. This looked like a 8-ball, but the 8, it's super old. I just want to give it my own. I plan to drive this Jeep, so I want to give it my own look, my own. Oh yeah, right there. Look at that. So at least it covers all that rust. So this is the 5-star ball. Since the Jeep is 5-speed, I'll decided to put the 5-star ball here. I'll screw this on. This is what you didn't see before, but I put it on already. Snug this. It's very snug. Then I'll introduce the 5-star ball. That was pretty easy. You want it to be nice and snug. And there it is. Wow, I like it. Brings you back to the 90s when Dragon Ball Z and Dragon Ball was the thing. Awesome. For any more tips, just subscribe and give us a like if you like the content. I'll be working with a lot of old cars. There's more to come, a whole lot more. Give them a shot of the old Corolla we got here. Nice. How about the 72 Datsun? And our latest acquisition, it's crazy, but it's done. It's actually here in my yard. You'll see a lot of videos of this one. Our latest acquisition, Dodge. This is a 1964 Dodge D100 pickup truck. Needs a lot of help, but we'll work on it. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned. A lot of big projects coming. This one don't even have a steering wheel.